So here we have two linear equations in two variables. Now you must have solved such equations earlier in which you need to find the value of x and y such that it satisfies both the equations. But what if I tell you to solve these two equations with the help of only graph? Is that possible? Well, it is. So you can actually find the value of x and y such that it satisfies both the equations, and that is with the help of graphs. So let's see how we can do that. So first of all, we'll need to find the values of x and y for these two equations. So let's consider 2x minus y equal to minus 4 first. So we know that the easiest way to do it is to find the x-intercept and y-intercept. For that, we'll have to take x as 0 once and then y as 0 once. So let's start with x as 0. Now if we take x as 0, then this equation becomes 2 into 0 minus y is equal to minus 4. Now 2 into 0 is definitely 0. So we have minus y is equal to minus 4, or y is equal to 4, right? So when we have x as 0, y is 4. So that's the first value which we were able to find. Now we will need another point to get a line, right? So let's take y as 0. So if we take y as 0, then we have 2x minus 0 is equal to minus 4. It means 2x is equal to minus 4, or x equal to minus 4 by 2. So we have minus 2. So for y equal to 0, x equal to minus 2. So for this particular equation, we have these values. So we have this table which we can plot on a graph paper. Now let's consider the next equation. We have x minus y equal to minus 1. Now here also we will find out the x-intercept and y-intercept. So first of all, we'll take x as 0. So if we take x as 0, then what do we have? 0 minus y is equal to minus 1, which means y is equal to 1. So for x equal to 0, y is 1. Now let's take y as 0. Then we'll have x minus 0 is equal to minus 1, or we can say that x is equal to minus 1. So for y equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. So we have this table for x minus y equal to minus 1, and we can use this to plot it on a graph paper. So first of all, let's take this equation and these points which we have for it. So we have 0 and 4, that is x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. Now if we plot this, this is the point which we'll get. Then we have x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 0. That is x-intercept. It is minus 2 and 0. So we have this particular point, and these 2 points are enough to get the line for this equation. So we'll join these 2 points and extend them on both the sides. So this is what we'll get. Now here, as you can see, this line represents this particular equation. Now let's go to the next equation, x minus y equal to minus 1. Now here we have x is 0, y is 1. If we take that, we'll get this particular point, that is the y-intercept. Now when x is minus 1, y is 0. So in this case, we get the x-intercept here. Now when we join these two, then we have this particular line here, which represents x minus y equal to minus 1. Now both these points intersect at this particular point here, right? So what is the significance of this particular point? First of all, let's understand what is the value of x and y on this particular point. So the value of x and y is -3 and -2. So on this point we have x is equal to -3 and y is equal to -2. Now let's see what these values can do for us. So let's take these values and try to substitute in both the equations. So let's start with 2x minus y is equal to -4. So we have 2 into x is how much? -3, right? So -3, and then we have minus y. Y is -2. So we have -2. This is equal to -4. Now 2 into -3 is -6, right? -6, and we have minus outside and minus inside the bracket. So both will together give us plus, right? So we have +2 is equal to -4. Now -6 plus 2 is -4, right? So we see that x equal to -3 and y equal to -2 satisfies this particular equation. 2x minus y is equal to -4. Now let's consider the next equation. X minus y is equal to -1. Now in this case again, let's substitute these values. So what do we get? So we have x minus y is equal to -1. So x is -3. So -3 minus y. Y is -2. So -2 is equal to -1. Now -3 will be there as it is. Now minus into minus is plus, right? So +2 is equal to -1. -3 plus 2 is -1. So what we can see is that these values satisfy even this equation. So we have actually solved these two equations and found the value of x and y which satisfies both the equations, right? And how did we do it? By plotting these two equations on a graph paper. So what do we understand from here? That we had two different lines, one line representing this particular equation and one line representing this particular equations, and these two lines meet at a common point, and that intersection point is this. X is equal to -3 and y is equal to -2, and this is the only point which satisfies both the equations, and that is why it is the intersection point, because this point lies on both the lines, and this point will satisfy both the lines or both the equations. And there can be only one such point which can satisfy both the equations in such a scenario. So now can you answer this question? Both linear equations 2x minus y is equal to -4 and x minus y is equal to -1 are satisfied by only one point that lies on their point of intersection. Is it true or is it false? What do you think? Well, the correct answer is true. Definitely, there is only one point, that is the point of intersection between these two equations, which satisfies both the equations. So let's have a look on this particular plot once again. As you can see clearly, these two lines intersect at this particular point. So we can clearly say that this is the only point which lies on both the lines, and this is the only value which will satisfy both the equations, right? So every point on this particular line will satisfy this particular equation, and every point on this particular line will satisfy this particular equation. But this intersection point will satisfy both the equations. So if you have to find the value of x and y which can satisfy both the equations. You need to plot their lines and the point of intersection will be the solution for that particular question.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.